Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to download and use R and R Studio. So basically, if you can install R and R Studio successfully, the next time you can open the R Studio directly to finish your lab assignments. And please notice that all the lab assignments would be based on R, and you need to have submit a PDF file to be your lab assignment. But I will talk about this later. And in week 0, we are going to we only need to know how to download R and R Studio. Okay, so let's open a browser that you are used often, for example, Safari or Google, and then search R Studio. So you can notice that there's a website called Post-it, and so you can just click this. So if you are going to have this website, this is the website. Download our Studio Desktop, post-it.com. Okay, and then you can, if you roll down, you will find that there are steps to show you how to use RStudio, because all your code we are going to write code in RStudio. Okay, so first step to download R. Okay, then click this. If you are using Linux, you can just click this. If you are using the Mac, you are using the second link. And if you are going to use Windows, the third link is here. So please make sure that you download the correct version. For example, for Windows user, there are 64-bit or 32-bit. So make sure that you download the correct version. So for example, if you click this, download R for Mac OS, then you can just click this. So you will find that there's a file in the download session. Okay, so this is the first step. And then go back to the second step. Just click to the last page. Okay. The second step is to install RStudio. So you can choose the Mac OS version. For example, mine is the higher version, and then I can click this download RStudio desktop for Mac OS. So if you are going to use the Windows, this page would be tell you the RStudio for which version of Windows. Okay, so I'm choosing the correct version and then click download. So same thing, you will find that there's a file in the download uh, download session. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, and they're all finished. Then you can go to the Finder or you can go to the download. Then you will find that there are two files that you have successfully downloaded from the web page, right? So the first step is to click the R first and then install it. There are nothing special, just to click next step, and then finish. And then next step is to install the RStudio. Also, nothing special, just next step to choose the correct file, or choose the paste that you want to use, then finish. Because I already downloaded the R and RStudio, so I will not show you this step. And if you can successfully download R and R Studio. So you can just search, right? Then we can find the R Studio here. So let's click this. So the page would be here, right? And I will show you how to, there's a handout of your assignment 1. I will not show you how to finish your assignment 1, but this handout would be similar with your assignment 1. So, but there would be on the next step, but in the next video. So this is all for downloading and using R and RStudio. Okay. If you have any questions, please feel free to let our TAs know because this would be very important for you guys to finish your following lab assignments. If you cannot download it successfully, then it's impossible for you guys to have your assignments done. Or if you don't have uh, a proper laptop or computer or desktop, then feel free to go to the lab session and then use the desktop in the classroom. Okay, so that's it for today.